4, very important, also consider space enough. Consider the gap for the braces of your cover. You may want to get a valet to put it on enough. It doesn't come in some models like mine. I bought it separate. I'm talking about this black piece to put it on enough. But you are going to have to think about the space for it, you see, to go behind your span, because if you don't leave the room enough for those brackets, you'll be in trouble. So you can see this funny shape of the table, of that edge, I'm sorry. The reason for it is that when the cover comes back at the closed position, you need room both sides of your span. You need room for the braces. So make sure while you're designing your surrounding area to have room enough for that for the braces. All right, that's the next thing, very important thing to consider. Let's keep on.